Taurus, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for 8 to 15 of June 2020. Yeah. And thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. And thank you so much for your beautiful, beautiful comments on my channel. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And guys, if you are new, please subscribe. And you guys are wondering that which kind of astrology I'm following. So I am doing actually both Vedic and Western, because I am reading the energies and also reading the tarot cards. So this is resonating for everyone. Okay, so if you guys are following your Vedic Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, that's okay. And if you guys are following your Western Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, that is also okay, because the tarot cards are resonating with everyone. Okay, so yeah, you just have to keep in mind that if the title is resonating with you, then the reading is for you. So let's start your reading, Taurus. This is for the Taurus people. Okay. Let's cut the deck for you, Taurus. This is for the Taurus people. Okay. Queen of Cups. Wow. So this is your overall energy. Very beautiful. Sun. Wow. Sun. Okay. Queen of Swords. King of Swords. Queen and King of Swords right in front of each other. Wow. There is a reason for something. Okay. Let's see. Justice. Okay. Two of Swords right in the heart of your spread, Taurus. World. So many major arcanas. Okay. Nine of Wands. Emperor. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Ace of Wands, bottom of the deck. So Taurus, I'm feeling that there is something very important for you to know, because with this Queen of Cups energy, I'm feeling that you are continuously trying to connect with your intuition, because this is, you can see, closing eyes, and this is a gesture of meditation, like. So I'm feeling that you are doing some kind of meditation because you want to make a decision in your life, and that's very important decision. So this is the decision time. That's why you are trying to connect with the divine, that help me and guide me. You are praying for the right decision to make. Wow. And this is not a small decision, it's a big decision, because you have to be careful with the Justice and with the World card. So definitely after making this decision, you will find balance in your life, and also you will have some kind of new beginnings in your life. Wow. So this decision matters for you. This decision matters a lot. Okay. With the Sun card, Queen of Swords, and the King of Swords, I'm feeling that both of you and your person were very happy with each other, and both of you were very like happy on their own, because the Queen of Swords is also a lone person, and you are finding happiness within yourself, and the person is also finding the happiness within themselves. Yeah, this is kind of self-love. So they are working on their selves, and you were working on yourself. But now this is the right time situation. This is now current situation. You have to make some kind of decision. That's why you have to follow your intuition. You have to build up a very strong connection with the divine, so that you can have the new beginning. Okay. With the Nine of Wands, Emperor, and the Ace of Pentacles, I'm feeling that this is making healthy boundaries against the narcissist. Yeah, I know this is Aries, but this person, this Emperor, is a little bit narcissist, a little bit manipulative. So everything is a little bit, but you don't want this kind of little bit, because this is very lower vibration energy and very stuck kind of energy you are feeling about this person, whoever is this. Some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag. Capricorn is also here because we have world Saturn. Saturn rules Capricorn, and Justice Libra is also here. So yeah, air signs are also here. Yeah, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, but you are making healthy boundaries, and you are now working on yourself because you don't want any kind of manipulative situation again in your life. That's why you are making those boundaries against these kind of person. Okay, and with the Ace of Pentacles, definitely some kind of new beginning is on your way. With the Ace of Pentacles, Sun and the World, so new beginnings, new things are here for you. You are doing great because you are following the intuition of yours and also making the strong connection with the divine. So let's see what is this Queen of Water about. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups, please, for the Taurus. Eight of Wands. Yeah, downloads from the universe. Page of Swords. Wow, 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 very nice, beautiful. Okay, so this is great. You are making a strong connection with the universe with the Queen of Cups. Universe is giving you some downloads in your dreams or in any kind of in any form. Okay, okay, and there is someone who is watching you. There is someone who is watching you, but you are not paying attention on anyone because luck is on your side. Luck is on your side with the Wheel of Fortune. So you are making a very strong connection with the divine, following the rules of the divine, following the I just want to say downloads, instructions, or whatever a universe is helping you with. You are following that, and after following, this is the result. Wow, this is the work and this is the result. It's amazing. Okay, what is this Two of Swords about? What is this Two of Swords about for the Taurus from 8 to 15? Seven of Wands, Strength, Page of Pentacles. Okay, yeah, definitely someone is dealing with a Leo for some of you. For some of you Taurus, I'm feeling that definitely there is a crossroad for you. There is a decision which is very important for you, and you have to take a leap of faith towards that situation. This is a test of your faith. Yeah, a test of your faith. Universe is testing your faith, that after building up the strong connection with the universe, do you have faith in them? Wow. So universe is testing your faith, and you are also building up your courage to having this leap of faith, and after that new things will be started for you. Interesting, very interesting. What is this world about? For some of you, the person is maybe karmic, because karma is here, Saturn, and also Justice. Wow. Okay, let's do the World card. Okay, let's do the World card. Patience, which is the Temperance of the Tarot. Nine of Pentacles, Four of Wands. Wow. Okay, yeah, this is I was telling you. See, both of these cards are about karma, and here is a decision you have to make. Wow. Like you have to start something new, or just you wanna making the loops and loops and loops in some kind of karmic situation. So that's why it's a very important decision. Okay, I was clarifying the World card, and we have a Temperance, which is patience, Nine of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. So definitely there is some kind of new beginning for you, because we have also 9 here and 9 of wands here. So these are completions and new beginnings. So you are completing some cycle of your life, and after that the divine timing will play the role, and you will have a very strong connection with your twin flame, because this is 4 of wands, 11 11. So you will be with your true match. Universe is just testing you to just make the right decision, follow your intuition. That's it. What is this Emperor about? Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups, 5 of Swords. Okay, so Emperor was clarified by Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups, and 5 of Swords. They want communication. I'm feeling that for some of you, you had true love and true feelings for them, but now you are moving on because you just don't wanna stuck in dramatic situation with the 5 of Swords energy, because the person is really dramatic. They love to create drama, they love to create conflict in your life, they love to make you stuck with them. Yeah, but you have realized that the person is not for your higher good. Yeah, that's why you are moving on, and you are moving on quickly with the Knight of Swords, because you know that there will be some kind of new person universe will send to you. You have new hopes. So we have great cards here with the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, 4 of Wands, Sun, and you know what, Wheel of Fortune. So beautiful cards are here for you. Definitely things will be better for you after making this decision. Things will be move very fast. Yeah, things are going to move fast for you. So this is I have for you, Taurus. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.